Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view the preview from your EZVIZ RS2 robot because it has a camera. Since this robot has a camera right here, you can view the preview by going to the app and going to the camera. Here you'll see the camera. You can use the remote control to manually remote control your robot and drive to some places to record them. You can also click here to recharge it, here to petrol inspection. This will self-direct. You can see video history. You can take a photo right here. You can record a video. You can say something to the robot. 1, 2. You can see when I say something here, it says it to the robot. You can also click here to set a timed recording. And you can click here to change the quality. Now you can also click here and it will play the sound from the preview on your phone. So you can see the robot will record the sound and play it on your phone. You can also click here to change the night vision to auto, disable or enable. When it's enabled, it will enable the night vision, just like that. And you can also click here to go to the settings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.